Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mrs. Sobia Suhail is here. So this time I selected a topic from class 9, unit number 3, exercise 3.3. It's about application of the logarithm formulas. So let me revise the first law of the logarithm. It is that if two numbers are multiplying and you apply a logarithm on it, so they will be added up. Okay. Product, if you apply logarithm, they will be added up. Second law is if you are applying a logarithm on two numbers which are dividing with each other. So on applying the logarithm, they will subtract. Log mn, after that log m plus log n. If m by n and you are applying a logarithm, it will become log m minus log n. By mistake I write m again. So third is, if you are applying a log to a number which has a power, so that power will be multiplied in the start of log of that number. This is the third law. Means any power is being taken on a number and you are applying a log on that number, power will be taken in the start and multiply with that number, log of that number. Fourth is change of base formula, like log any number with a base into log that number which is here in the base with another base. So how it will be written as, it's written log, this is in the base and this is the number. So now this they will take like this. Now base is a and number is n. This is called change of base formula. Or it can be written as this one. This one can be written as in the form of, it can be written as log bn into log ab. It can also be written as in the form of log bn, means same in the same level, and then divide by, if you are taking it down, so log, they will change the place of each other. B here, a here. The number will become base and base will be coming in the number place. So this is the change of base formula. Now after revising these logarithm formulas, let me solve a few questions related to this one. Okay. Exercise 3.3, I want to solve the question number 1. In that question, it's written only write into sum or difference form. Okay. So the first part is log a multiply b. So if we apply the log on a product of two numbers, so how it will be written? It will be written in the sum. Log of a, log of first number, and product will change to plus log of second number. Is that okay? Okay. We will go to the second part. Log 15.2 over 30.5. So log is applied on on the two number, means one number divided by other number, or you can say a ratio of two numbers. So now the ratio of two numbers, if log applies, so log of the first number minus log of the number in denominator. Log of numerator minus log of denominator. You can keep like this in your mind as well. Next I can write down the third part also. That one is log 21 multiply 5 by 8. How we will apply? We can check these all are coming in the numerator. So log of the numerator minus log of denominator. It's okay. Now we will apply log on the product number also. Product number, when we apply the log of 21 plus log of 5 minus log of and 8, and it is completely changed into the sum or difference formation. Okay. Next part is little bit more complicated, but still very easy if you go properly with a sequence. cube root of 7 over 15. Okay, so first step, log 7 over 15 and write it in the exponent form. Cube root is written as 1 by 3 or third root. Okay, third law of the logarithm is saying if there is a power, it will be multiplied in the start. Okay, after that, putting the power in the start, now apply the log on the ratio. Log of numerator minus log of denominator, and put this bracket around it because 1 by 3 the power was on the both number. Okay, next number is log 22 cube root over 5 cube. Here the number was in the one root or one power, one combined power. That's why the combined power came in the start. Now the number have separate powers. So what we will do now, we will write log of numerator with same minus log of denominator with power. Okay, completely the numerator power will be multiplying in its start. Okay, so 1 by 3 log of 22, and this power will be written in its start. Okay, or multiplied in its start, log of 5. It's okay. Hopefully you understand until here. So the last part of this question, log of 25 multiply 47 over 29, I think you can solve. Okay. Yes. The second question is like this. Once you are changing a compound statement into sum and difference form, so the same method you can apply to go back into the same single form also. Means if you can go forward in the logarithmic laws from this to this formation, so in the same way you can go back to this formation also again. Okay, so we have to do in the same way. What's happening over here? First we need to collect the positive terms. All the positive terms will be a product in numerator. All the negative terms will be shifted in the denominator. So let me collect the positive terms first. Okay, in this given statement, log of x plus 3 log of x plus 1 and minus 2 log of x and minus log x square minus 1. Now if the start is starting with a log, that's okay. If there is a number, it means it was a power which is being sent in the start. So give the coefficients of the log back into the exponents. Okay. Okay, first we will shift the coefficients back into the powers. Okay, so log of x plus log of x plus 1, this is shifted in the power, minus log of x, this is also shifted in the power, minus log of x square minus 1. Okay, so now these two are with the plus. It means when I apply the log as a whole, they both will be written in the product form in the numerator, and the minus 1 will be shifted in the denominator. Okay, x square also in the denominator and this term also in the denominator. So it's whole in the single form. Now it's up to you. You want to more simplify it or you want to keep it as it is. It's up to your choice. It's looking for me like it can be simplified. So let me simplify x and cancel with the square, and x cube means x plus 1 or x plus 1. You can write like this. Here left only one x, this x square minus 1 and x square plus 1. It can be factorized. So this one is cancelled. The remaining is x plus 1 square over x into x minus 1. And this is also perfect formation. You can use either this one or this one. Both can be considered as correct because they said that change it into as a single logarithm. They didn't say to simplify also. But once you are looking at the factors, they can be simplified. So better to simplify also. No problem till here. Okay. Now express this one in a single logarithm as they are adding. So when you are writing in a single log form, So which formation they were before? They were in the product form, because when you apply log on the product form, so it happens that log of 21 plus log of 5 will be. So going back, it means you will go back to their original formation, and you have to show only into the single logarithm. That's it. Second part is that it's very simple. Log of 25 minus log of 3, and before log there is a 2. So first we need to send back this power into the its original position. Okay, after that minus means they are written in the ratio form. In the single logarithm, if we are writing, so it means that 25 will be numerator and this minus term will be in the denominator. So it's done. It's okay. Is that okay? Like this, 25, 2 is sent in the power, and then minus means they are writing in a ratio form. Yes. So the number in the coefficient will be sent back in the exponent. Log x square minus log y cube. Once it is clear log and log, so write in the single logarithm as 1 log, and minus mean they were in the ratio form. This is the positive number, write in the numerator, negative number after negative sign, that is in the denominator, and it is expressed as a single logarithm. Next question is that fourth part, the last part of this question, log of 5 plus log of 6 minus log of 2. Okay, so the positive number will be in the numerator. Okay, so, and they will be written in the product form. Negative number will be written in the denominator. It was log 6. I was thinking why not cancel 2 and 2. It was log 6. So write here log 6. 5 times 6 and divide by 2. So it is solved as a single, not solved, it is expressed as a single logarithm. Okay. Yes, the next question is here, and you can use it by the change of the base formula. Okay. So first, check that the number is very big. So you need to factorize that number. 81 factorize with the 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 left, 21. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Okay. Writing in this form, log 3 base with 2 number and log, write this 2 as a base. Okay, so you must be clear what is written in the base and what is the actual number. Actual number 81 can be changed in the 3 power 1 2 3 4. 3 power 4. Now whatever is the power, we are shifting that power in the start. Yes. Okay, so log 32 into 4 log 2 3. Now check that this one and this one, only their base are changed. So if I change the base of either this number or this number, if I change the base and this number to each other, so it will be going 1 over log 3 in the base number here. As you can take the reference of this one, that log of AB can be written as 1 over log of BA. Okay, so using it like this one, exactly it is cancelled to each other. So what number we have left now, that is 4 1s are 4, and this is your answer. Solving in the same way, we can solve the next part also. Okay, now solving on a faster pace. Log, write this number as a base over here. Write number clearly like a number. Okay, so you're not getting confused with the base and the original number. Log of 3 is a base, and 25, can you factorize 25 as 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So 5 power 2 we can use. So 25 can be changed as 5 square. Now the square can be written in the start, and this is log base 5 on 3 log base 3 with 5, and the square is written in the start. Now on this number, any one number we can apply the change of base formula. Okay, so log, I think this one we can change also. Log 3 in the base, 5 is the number. So there will be the expression like this. Now this and this completely cancel, or you can say they are reciprocal of each other. Okay, so 2 is the final answer. In the next question, they ask use these given values to solve all the given parts. So first part they have given as log of 32. We can use the given values only if our question is changed into only these values like 2, 3 and 5. So question must be in this formation. So it's better that whatever the number is given over here, you need to factorize that number into the simple prime numbers. Okay, 32, if you do factorization, 2 16 times 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So how many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can be written log 2 power 5. And you know that the power will be multiplied in the start, log 2. At this point now, you can apply your given data value, that 5 times, what is the log 2 value? 0.3010, and you can multiply it now and get the answer. 5 multiply 0.3010. 1.505. It's okay. Let's go to the second part. That one is log of 24. Factorize 24 and continue in this way. Do by yourself. Number 3. Log 3 1 by 3. This is very important formation. Very important because the formation is given in the mixed number form. In mixed number form, the students mostly forget about how to change it into the improper form again. 3 whole 1 by 3 can be 3 to multiply and then add. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10 over 3. So change first this one. 3 whole 1 by 3, whatever the mixed number over here, change in improper form. And the exponent, square root or cube root or fifth root, whatever the root is there, write the root on the exponential form. Okay. Sorry. Square root means 1 by 2. Now write down, this exponent can be written in the start because whatever the exponent, it is shifted in the start and it's multiplying in the start. Okay. Log of 10 minus log of 3. Keep the bracket out. Still this log of 10 is not in the form of log 2, log 3, log 5. So 10 can be written as 2 times 5 minus log 3. So log 2 plus log 5 and minus log 3. Write down their values and solve the question. 0.3010 plus log 5 0.6990 minus log 3 0.4771, and on calculating these three and then divide by 2 you will get the answer. Okay. So this answer divide by 2. Final answer is 0.26145. It's okay. So using all the same strategies, I think the part number 4, which is log of 8 by 3, and part number 5, which is log of 30, you can solve this and this by yourself. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends who need my help. If you like my teaching style, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.